Alright, in this video, now we're going to show you how to move your Bitcoin off of Binance and into Atomic Wallet if you're using Atomic Wallet. Check it out. So we're on our Binance wallet, our exchange here. And let's say we want to take it off the exchange to make our coins holdings a little bit more safe, a little less prone to hacking, that kind of thing. So what we want to do is find the coin that we want to take out. In this case, it's Bitcoin. And we're going to click on the withdraw button here. So this page will pop up and this will let you know what coin that you're taking out. And it's going to ask you for your recipient's BTC address. So for this, I'm going to move over to the Atomic Wallet, which I've already signed in on. And I'm going to click on the wallet button right here on the left-hand side. It'll bring me to this page where I can click on Bitcoin, because I'll be depositing Bitcoin into this. And I'll click on Receive. So here it's going to show my Bitcoin public keys or my recipient address. So there, I'm going to copy the address to the clipboard, come back over here, paste that in, and now we're going to double check the last 4 digits. So we have WKNP over here, WKNP. All right, we're good to go. So we want to make sure we check the right box here for which network we want to be using on Binance, because Binance has a number of networks available. So if you're withdrawing Bitcoin, it's important that you check the Bitcoin box right here, because you cannot withdraw or move any cryptocurrencies if you're not using the right blockchain. And we'll explain this further in another video. For now, we'll just keep it nice and simple. If you're moving Bitcoin, use the Bitcoin blockchain. And for the amount that I want to withdraw, I'll just click max, just to keep things simple, and then submit. All right, here we can see that it's going to come up with a few options here for two-factor authentication. And this is just here to make sure that nobody can log into your account and withdraw your funds. So for me, I have a phone verification, an email verification, as well as a Google two-factor authentication set up. Now, you might not have all these options set up yet. And if that's not the case, just go over and reference the Crypto Starter Guide, and that will show you exactly how you can set up a Google two-factor authentication on your Binance account. So I'm just going to take some time here and fill out all these different boxes. Alright, so now that I've filled out all the boxes, we can see that my withdrawal request has been submitted. So expect Bitcoin to take anywhere from a couple minutes to a couple hours, depending on how clogged the blockchain is at the time. These things take time, be patient, and don't worry. Alright, so that's it, guys. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take money from your Binance account into your Ledger wallet if you've purchased a Ledger wallet. We'll show you exactly how to do this. It's pretty much the same process, but just so you know how to do it, we're going to make it as easy as possible for you.